Good morning, and Sairam student. I also welcome to the parents. My name is Ishika. I'm your math teacher. Today, I will teach you maths. Before starting the lesson, I hope all you have a nice time at your home, and you also take out some time to your studies during these holidays. Okay? So, children, in the last session, we have done up to page number 21 in chapter number 2. This is our page number 21. Today, in this video, we will go page number 22. Okay, let's start question with page number 22. In page number 22, there are two questions, that is question number 8 and question number 9. So, first of all, let's start with question number 8. In question number 8, we have to tick the group that has more than 5 objects. So, the group which has more than 5, we have to tick in the box. Here we have 3 groups. The first group of glasses, the second group of balls, and the third group of trees. So let's start. We have to just see in which group there are objects more than 5. Let's start with glasses. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yes, 6. And I know, and you also remember that 6 is more than 5. So here we have right answer. We have to tick in the box. The next group is of balls. The balls are 3 numbers, so we have to leave that group. Then we have to come to the next group that belongs to trees. Let's start count the trees. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Yes, 8. And 8 is more than 5. So here we also have to tick. So children, in this question we got two groups, glasses and trees, and which are more than 5. Okay, good. Now come to next question, that is question number 9. In question number 9, the question is count the objects and encircle the correct number. I will again read the question. Listen to my question carefully. Count the objects and encircle the correct number. So, in this question, we have to count the objects given in the line, and then we have to circle the number which is exactly same with the given objects, numbers of given objects. Let's see. Let's start with first question. Here we have balls. Let's count how many balls are there. 1, 2, 3, 4. So we have 4 balls here. So children, which number is same as 4? Or you can say which number is equal to 4? So here we have 3 numbers, 3, 4 and 5. And we want, what do we want? We want 4. So this is 4 and we have to circle it. Okay. So these are the balls and this is the number. The 4 balls is equal to 4. Now come to next question. Apples. Let's count how many apples are there. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. 5 apples are there. and after this and down below the apples we have 3 numbers, 5, 4 and 6. So which one is the right number? Yes, this is 5. 5 apples, 5 number. Okay. Next, jump to the next page. In this page, next page is 23. In this page, we have to we have to follow the same question. We have to count the objects and encircle the right number. So let's start counting the cats. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So this is 8 number? No. Is this 8 number? No. Is this 8 number? Yes. Circle it. Okay. Now next question, let's start counting the bags. 1, 2, 3. Is this 3 number? No. Is this 3? No. Is this 3? Yes. Circle it. Okay. So in this way you have to count the object first and then you have to find out the correct number given below the question. Now in question number 10 we have to make groups of according to the as per instruction. So in A number option we have to make a group of 5 jars. You can see here, but in the box we have more than 5 bottles, but we have to make a group of only 5. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we have done with our 5 bottles, and I will do like this. Okay, you can do yourself also. Now in the next question we have to make a group of 3 apples, and in the box 3 apples are given, so we have to make a group like that. Okay, now jump to next page. In next page, same question, we have to make a group of 4 balls. Just let's start count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. But how many balls we want? We want only 4. So we have to make group of only 4. If you see inside the circle, we have only 4 balls inside the circle. It means we have done with a group of 4 balls. In the next question, we have to start with monkeys. 1, 2 and 3. 3 monkeys are there, but we have to make a group of 2 monkeys. So 1, 2. In this way, you will make a group. Okay. I think you have done with this question. You understand the meaning of this question. Now, next question number 11. Count and trace the correct number. Same questions given prior also. Here we have to count the number, and below the question, below the objects, there are 3 numbers given. So we have to trace the correct number. If you see, it is very light in color, so we have to trace the number. So let's start with red. How many reds are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 reds are there. So is this 5 number? No. Is this 5 number? No. Is this 5? Yes. So we have to trace it. Okay, with pencil. Next, let's start counting trees. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Here we have 6 trees. Is this 6? No. Is this 6? Yes. So trace it. In the next, let's start with apples. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 apples are there. Is this 7? No. Is this 7? No. Is this 7? Yes. So we have to trace the given number. Okay children, now last but not least, this is the last page of this chapter. In this chapter we have to start the topic with before and after. Okay, let's start the question, solving the question. In question number 12, A, what comes after 4? So children, here we have objects in the question, so we have to write inside the objects what comes after the given number. So in the first chapter, in the first apple, there is 4. So will you tell me what comes after 4? Yes, it is 5, then 6, then 7. Wow, it's very easy. All you can do very easy. Now, in question number B, what comes before 8? So here we have balls. At the last ball, 8 is written. So we have to write numbers before 8. Okay. So what comes before 8? Anyone guess? I will tell you. 7 comes before 8. Okay. Then what comes before 7? 6. Then what comes before 6? 5. And what comes before 5? 4. Wow, very easy. Okay, now in last question, what comes before and after 9? This is a question written here. I will read again. What comes before and after 9? There are 3 cats given in the question. So in the middle one, in the middle cat, 9 is written. So we have to write the number that comes before and after 9. So first of all, what comes before 9? 8. And what comes before after 9? 10. Wow. So in this way you have to do this work in your maths workbook. After this we have a new chapter, that is chapter number 3, addition. Okay children, I hope that you have finished the work which I had asked you to do prior. If you have any difficulties regarding homework and anything, you can ask me and I will clarify your doubts. Okay, so children, be obedient, do your homework regularly, cultivate self-discipline, maintain your time and take care of your health. Goodbye. Sai Ram.